Welcome back, and now let's get to this next tutorial on Smoky Green Eye. I'm using the Pro Base Concealer by P. Louise. I'm going to tap that all over my eyelid. I'm going to go in with the light brown eyeshadow as a base. You're really going to want to smooth it out all over the eyelid and make sure it's very light towards your edges. Now I'm going in with a darker brown eyeshadow and blend that with the light brown eyeshadow. I'm using the Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Liner. I'm gonna tap that all over my eyelid as a base for the black eyeshadow. With a fluffy brush with no product, smudge out the black towards all over your eyelid. Now go in with black eyeshadow and blend it all out. Make sure you set the gel black eyeliner as well so it does not crease. With a flat brush with no product, blend it all out. Going in with a mixed pigment and wetting my brush, I'm going to place that all over my eyelid. Make sure you really blend out the green tone with the black. Underneath my eyes, I'm going in with the light brown. And then going in with a darker brown and a black. Going in with Milk Hydro Grip Primer to prime my face. Now I'm going to use this product by MAC to close off all my pores. Finally, I'm going to use the Bearcat CBD oil all over my face. Now I'm going to use Morphe to conceal my face all over my T-zone. And then blend that all in. Now I'm going to use Julia foundation and place that all over my face. And it only takes a little drop to use. A little bit goes a long way. Now really blending the foundation to your concealer with a sponge. Always set your face with powder. That's always very important. Under the eyes, the chin, nose. Now contouring. Always go with your face shape and what best suits you to bring out those cheekbones and that jawline. And of course, we gotta contour that nose. Then cut that contour. And always highlight. Highlighting brings out everything. And that beautiful blush from Melt. God bless it. Now I'm gonna prime my eyes for glitter with the NYX primer glitter and go in the corner of my eyes with a gold. We can never forget that red lipstick. Never. The most important part, set your makeup. Everyone's best friend, eyelashes. Now here's the finished look for the eyes. And that's it. Now I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!